What if I tell you that you can make money easily in your free time? Even when you are in bus or waiting your order from KFC, you can earn $35 relaxing in the park and earn $50 without doing anything, doing your homework and research in library and get paid after that. It's cool, right? So now before starting, make sure to subscribe for more making money online videos and hit the like. The very important thing in this website is that they shared a big amount earnings with their users, and as you can see here they paid out more than $1.4 million. It's a big amount. So let's start working to get our part from this piece of cake. And if we go to Reward Center, you will find a lot of choices: PayPal, Visa, gift cards, Spotify, and more. Just scroll down and check out this many options. So now, the first step to do, it's go and click on sign up, and after login you start collecting and earn points, by watching videos, complete paid surveys and download apps to exchange into real currencies. Then exchange it to gift cards at your favorite retailers, like Amazon and Discord, or get cash instantly to PayPal. And that's it, and make sure to watch the video until the end for the website name. To sign up in this website it's very easy, just click on sign up. Then on this page start submitting your information, username, email address and your password. It's easy. Now step number 2, it's to confirm your email to get your first 10 points. Then go to main menu and click on earn points and scroll down here, search for watch videos, click on it, and simply start watching videos as you can. And you can also check this extra ways to earn money fast in your free time. The name of this website it's Casio.co. Casio.co has many options to make money online available for you to use it and start making money online. Let's choose invite friends, so it's the easiest and fast way to enjoy unlimited free cash for simply inviting your friends, and when you relaxing your account receive cash. To do it just scroll down and copy this link, then share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, email and more. Use this website when you have some time free and make money. It's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and you can also check this amazing video by clicking on this black notification.